Hey everybody. Okay, so this is going to be a quick repotting. This is my Monstera Albo. If you guys haven't checked out my shorts, please check those out. I post one or two every day. But yes, so I explained in my short that I grew this from a wet stick. So literally just that stem in the middle is what I grew this from. Now, I was checking it and I don't know. Like I was feeling like something was wrong because the leaves were looking so limp. So I said, finally, okay, let me just check the roots. And as you can see, the roots are like struggling so much. But I will do a zoom in here, or like in the next second or so, showing that there's actually new roots developing. So that is good. And they look super good. They're thick. So I feel confident that it will bounce back. Monsteras, they should bounce back fairly quickly. Their roots are normally thick and white. So yeah, I have no doubt that this plant will bounce back, but something was telling me to check the roots, and I waited and I waited, and I'm just like, oh, I couldn't take it any longer. So I finally decided to do a repot and check out the roots. So here is a good shot there. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm trying to point out, that there is a new root establishing. So hopefully, well, I don't know how many leaves are going to be able to maintain with just that amount of root that's there now. So yeah, we'll just see how that goes. So I had it in a terracotta pot with a very chunky mix, and now I'm deciding to put it in a clear pot. That way I can keep a better eye on the roots, because I think what ended up happening was the plant dried out from being in the terracotta. Now the reason why I had it in the terracotta pot was because I didn't want to overwater it, and I ended up drying the plant out. That's what I'm thinking happened. So I took my husband's drill and drilled some holes into one of these plastic takeout containers. Well, it's actually a little bit thicker than the takeout container. I got these from Amazon. It was a pack of like 20 or 30, pretty cheap. But it's essentially the same one that you would get from takeout that usually has like the tea in it or something, tea or lemonade. So yes, I decided to poke some holes in there. That way I have a nice clear container, so that way I can keep an eye on the roots, like I said. And then I'm going to end up adding a trellis. I still am using a chunky mix soil, and I gave it a nice thorough watering after I repotted it. And so far it's maintaining. Like, I'm still keeping hope that it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Now, if I didn't see those other roots, then I would have just thrown it into moss. But because I saw that the roots were starting to come back and that they were nice and firm, the white ones anyway, not those other ones, but the white ones, I have faith that it'll be okay. So yeah, there's the little trellis I have it on for the moment, and I have it in a very bright spot under my grow lights. So I think it'll be fine, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on my Monstera Albo so you can see what's going on. And I'll be sure to also update you guys once the leaves plump back up and if there's another new leaf developing, because that's what really alarmed me too, because it was growing so well. Like, it popped out that second and third leaf so fast, and then it just stopped. And I'm like, uh-oh. So yeah, I will make sure that I keep it nice and moist, and won't let it dry out too much like I did last time. So yeah, here is just the final look, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to check out my shorts. I upload them every day, if not every other day. All right, bye.